He has also written some very famous work like Yugandhar, which is based on Sri Krishna's life, and Chhava, which is a very famous movie now. It was also inspired by his work, Chhava. Show them all today, clearly and finally. Your royal dress that got shredded in the furious doom dance of Kala was in no way less precious than brand new seamless rolls of lavish fabrics stacked in a lovely chest. Stuff it well in their ears. Will your story succeed in shaking the listeners in this crazy world who are attracted to the tales of heroes 1 minute and the very next discard the tales with the facile indifference? Does it have that gripping power? My name is Nikita and this is Table Reads for CSEED. The excerpt that I read now was from a book, Mrityunjay, The Death Conqueror, which is written by a Marathi author, Shivaji Sawant, which was originally written in Marathi but later on translated by Nandini Napoli. He has also written some very famous work like Yugandhar, which is based on Sri Krishna's life, and Chhava, which is a very famous movie now. It was also inspired by his work, Chhava, which was based on Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj's life. Coming to this book, why I liked reading this book is because it is from the age-old story of Mahabharata, which we have been listening since childhood. But we know the story is always told by the victors or the winners of the war. Why I like this story is because it is told from the point of view of the other side. A character who is not much captured by Mahabharata, whose story needs to be told because he was the death conqueror, which means that he lives beyond his death because he made that mark on us. Why I love Karna is because where we learn about gods and the devils in the story, Karna gives us a sense of human who has good sides and who is also a little bit flawed. Why he is flawed is because time was not on his side. He was the victim of circumstances at every stage of his life, beginning from where his mother had to sacrifice him because of the social pressures, then later on not having access to equal education for being a warrior that he wanted to be because of being of a particular caste, casteism which prevailed in that time. Later on coming to a war where again time was not on his side, the chariot wheel got stuck in a pit which caused his death. So we can see that in spite of all these things, Karna was a very good person at heart. He was a good son, he was a good brother, he was a good husband, he was an amazing friend to Duryodhan. We can always learn from this that in spite of time not being on his side, we can always try to be a better person in our personal lives.
Table Read only on CSEED.